name is Muhammad Fahmiada bin Sakiran. Today I will explain about fertilizer management. Okay guys, there are two types of fertilizer. One is organic and the second one is inorganic or chemical. Okay, I will explain about organic first. Let's go. Okay guys, first thing I will explain about organic fertilizer. Okay, organic fertilizer is byproduct of a natural organism. Like I will give example like compost, like manure, animal. Guys, this is the example of animal waste we use as a organic fertilizer, and there are many other example like chicken dung, compost, and another. And this is the most example I can give to you. Like this, we use as usually we use at oil palm tree as a fertilizer. Okay. Explain about inorganic and chemical fertilizer. Okay. Chemical fertilizer is synthetic fertilizer. I will give example like single fertilizer like urea and complete fertilizer like NPK. And I will give you the more example after this. Let's go. Guys, this is the example of chemical fertilizer. It's a NPK. First one is a broadcasting. The broadcasting is spreading fertilizer to cover the entire production area, which means we spread our fertilizer to all area or plant of the crop, and total cropland area is covered with fertilizer, and it's a very common application method that farmer use to give fertilizer to all crop and plants. Okay, we use a broadcasting method when the oil palm is more than 3 years because the root is crawling around the palm frond because it's a very good nutrient in there. Okay, the second one is a top dressing. Top dressing is mixing fertilizer uniformly into the top 1 or 2 inches of growing media around the plant. It's applying a second application to the soil surface. Usually, this top dressing are used mainly in small grain, legumes, and grass. Okay guys, we use top dressing in oil palm when we use a transplant oil palm because the root is not crawling.